Canadian provinces and territories are divided into 5 political regions based on its location. Canada's 5 political regions are Atlantic Region, Central Canada, the Prairie Provinces, the West Coast, and the Northern Territories. Here are some general details about the Northern Territories. The Northern Territories or the North covers 1/3 of Canada's land area. The North is often called the land of midnight sun because in summer sunlight lasts up to 24 hours. The North is the least populous political region of Canada with nearly 100,000 inhabitants. The Northern region comprises of Northwest Territories, Nunavut, and Yukon. Let's learn some details about Northwest Territories. The territory got the name because of its location on Canada's northwest. The territory joined Federation in July 15, 1870. Yellowknife is the capital city. If we look into the neighbors of Northwest Territories, Nunavut lies on the east and Yukon lies on the west. Here are some territorial symbols for the territory. The territorial bird is Ger falcon. The territorial fish is Arctic grayling. The territorial gemstone is diamond. And the territorial mineral is gold. And the territorial tree is tamarack larch. Northwest Territories follows daylight saving time. The daylight saving time schedule for Northwest Territories in summer is UTC-6 offset and it is called Mountain Daylight Time. Starting November, offset setting for clock is changed to UTC-7 and it is called Mountain Standard Time. Nunavut covers 20% of Canada's land area. Nunavut is the largest and newest territory of Canada. The territory joined Federation in April 1, 1999 after separating from Northwest Territory. Iqaluit is the capital city of Nunavut. The territorial animal for Nunavut is the Canadian Inuit dog and the territorial bird for the territory is rock ptarmigan. Nunavut is the only one territory with multiple time zones. The Mountain Time, Central Time and Eastern Time are the 3 time zones followed by different parts of Nunavut. Nunavut also follows daylight saving time and here are the details of time offset and time zone name for the territory. Yukon Territory joined Federation in June 13, 1898 and Whitehorse is the capital city of Yukon Territory. The territorial bird for Yukon Territory is raven and the territorial gemstone is lazulite and the territorial tree is subalpine fir. The parts of Yukon Territory follow Pacific time. In 2020, the territory decided not to follow day saving time change starting November of the same year. So from 2020, territory will be following a single time all round the year. The permanent time offset decided by territorial government is UTC minus 7 offset, and it is called Pacific Daylight Time.